welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. And also please, the bell icon just below. If you can give that a click, you'll be notified of everything we do. On the menu today, we're going to be doing some really simple, and I mean simple, garlic lemon chicken. Now I'm using chicken thighs. You can be using any part that you want. It is so easy. It is super tasty. Let's get moving. Okay, let's take a look at what we're going to need for this really simple chicken. So I'm using chicken thighs. The skin's been off, but there's a bone in there. You can be doing this of any part you want, and if you wanted, you could leave the skin on, but you know, skin is off on these ones. Some sliced onion, lemon juice, plenty of garlic, some fresh parsley, or maybe some basil or basil at the end. And here I've got some black pepper, and I've got some dried oregano. It's really simple. Let's go over to the cooker. Okay, so I've got a pan here. You're going to need like a skillet or a wok or something like that. And I've got some olive oil in there. Very simply, we're going to start off with our chicken. And like I say, I'm using chicken thighs. I like that meat. It's really beautiful. It's actually my favorite part of the chicken. And there's no skin on this one. But any part of the chicken you want, and if you want, leave the skin right on there. What we're going to do on a medium heat is we're just going to fry these around just by themselves with the olive oil for about 4 to 5 minutes. So there you go, we've just got a nice bit of colour on to our chicken. We're now going to add in some onions. Plenty of chopped garlic. Well, that's up to you, I suppose. We're going to go in with some black pepper there and some dried herb of our choice. I'm using a oregano or oregano, as some of you call that. You want to get some salt into the mix. And then we want to go again on a kind of medium-ish heat for about another 3 to 4 minutes. So there we go, that garlic's really working its magic in there. Those onions give it a lovely flavour. And of course those herbs we put in. Now, because these are quite small, we're pretty much done. Depending on the size of the chicken that you're using. This has been going about 8 minutes now, I suppose, so pretty much done. So, like I say, we're about to add some lemon juice now, but don't do that until you're pretty sure the chicken is cooked. So here we go. And then to that, some fresh parsley or maybe a basil or something is great. If you wanted, a splash of white wine would be wonderful in there. I started this with olive oil, as you saw, but you could have done this with butter. That would give it a kind of browner burn on the chicken. Now all we want to do is let this go for about 2 to 3 more minutes now, just to infuse all that lemon juice into our chicken, and we're done. I'll get this on the plate for you. And there we go, done. Very simple garlic lemon chicken. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and please do click that bell icon below. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.